Hey y'all, and welcome to Crazy Cajun Living. And today we are going to be vacuum sealing dry beans. And I made a trip to a members club and purchased large quantities of dry goods. And so today we're going to learn how to basically dry vac beans. Okay, let's start out with what we're going to need. I basically took 12 pounds of beans, and they are in quart jars. They are in quart jars, and this is 12 pounds, and it gave me 8 quart jars. So let's start and see how this simple procedure is done. Okay, the first thing that we have is our Cilla mill. Now the Cilla mill is something that they came out with, goodness, I'm going to say in the 90s. And this is my mom's, and I use this and it works perfect. Okay, and what I did order, I had to order, this is basically a canner, a sealer that fits on top of it. I do have one for the wide mouth, and these do come with the tubing. You can purchase them from Amazon, or you can go to Cilla mill or wherever you get your sealer. A lot of times now they will come with it. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. Okay, we are going to, what we have here, we have just the lid. It's a new lid. You can use any lid as long as it still has a nice gum to it. So let's put that on there and make sure it sets on there evenly. And we're just going to kind of come at a side swipe like this. Haha. So I say. All right, here we go. Okay, now that we have this on, we're gonna, we are actually plugged in. The Cilla mill is plugged in, and you want to just kind of hold it down. And it will say hands free when you let go. So let go. And it is actually sealing. And it will say sealing. So let's leave this here. And it will release. Okay, and you will be able to gently lift this. If it's not ready, it's still sealing. I heard it. There we go. Now let's check it. Okay, let's check it. A lot of times your seal will come off, and you just lift it off. Okay, we are sealed. And you can do all of these, and we are going to store them without the rims. It doesn't matter if you put the rims on or not. I mean, it's not a pressure cooked meal, so it doesn't matter. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and leave my rings on. Okay, I know this is a short and sweet video, but it's not difficult, and I just wanted to show y'all how to store your dry beans. How neat is that? Isn't that neat? So you can take and put these on the shelf, and you know, we are going to use these, but it's better than storing it in a plastic bag. And this keeps bugs out, it keeps it fresher. And look, you got a little sticker from the grandbabies. This is their table. But anyways, I just wanted to show y'all a simple, easy way to dry vac your beans, your dry beans. Simple, easy step, and I hope you enjoyed it. And for all of the canners out there that already know, leave me some tips if I did something that was out of step. But to me, this is the way we do it here, and it's a nice and easy way. And if you did not have one of these, it's okay. You can still store your beans in a nice mason jar. And that'll keep them fresh. They don't have to be dry packed. They're just in a safe environment, a clean, dry environment. And it certainly is better than a plastic bag, which can allow bugs and, you know, all of your icky things to get into. But I like to do this, and I think they're pretty. I think they look really cute. I just want to say thank you guys for watching my videos. Hugs and love from Crazy Cajun Living.